Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about most common words used in English and these words we are going to learn in multiple languages. So if you are ready, let's get started. But before that, as always, my kind request would be please do subscribe my channel, like and share with your friends and family members. So yeah, let's get started. Number 1, gold. Now let's learn to say this in other languages. At first in Hindi, Sona in Hindi. Next in Tamil, Tangam. In Telugu, Bangaram. Now in Kannada, Bangara, or you can also say as Chinna for gold. Number 2, house. Let's learn to say this in Hindi. Ghar in Hindi. Tamil, Veedu. In Telugu, Illu. And in Kannada, Mane. Number 3, rich. Amir in Hindi. In Tamil, Panakaran. Telugu, Dhanavantudu. In Kannada, Srimanta. Number 4, safe. In Hindi, Surakshit. In Tamil, Padugapana. Kannada, Surakshita. That was in Kannada. Telugu, Surakshitam. 5, easy. Now let's learn in Hindi. Asan in Hindi. Tamil, Elidaga. Telugu, Sulabanga. Now in Kannada, Sulabhavagi. Number 6, language. In Hindi, Bhasha. Tamil, Moli. Telugu, Bhasha. And in Kannada, Bhashe. Number 7, difficult. In Hindi, Mushkil. Tamil, Kadinamana. Telugu, Kashtam. In Kannada, Kashta. Number 8, happy. In Hindi, Khush. Tamil, Sandosham, or you can also say as Magilchi. Telugu, Santoshanga. And in Kannada, Santosha. 9, correct. In Hindi, Sahi. Tamil, Sari. In Telugu, Sari Aina. And in Kannada, Sariyada. Number 10, farmer. In Hindi, Kisan. Tamil, Vyavasayi or Ulavar. In Telugu, Raitu. Now in Kannada, Raita. Number 11, old. In Hindi, Purana. Tamil, Palayadu or Palesu. Telugu, Pathadi. And in Kannada, Halayadu. Number 12, afraid. In Hindi, Darna. Tamil, Bhayam. Telugu, Bhayam. And in Kannada, Hedarke. Number 13, ready. In Hindi, Tayyar. In Tamil, Tayyar. In Telugu, Siddhanga. And in Kannada, Siddhavagide. Number 14, ask. Let's see the translation of ask in other languages. In Hindi, Puchna. Tamil, Kelu. Telugu, Adugu or Adugandi. And in Kannada, Kelu. Number 15, brave. In Hindi, Bahadur. Tamil, Dhairyam or Tunichal. In Telugu, Dhairyam. And in Kannada, Dhairyashali in Kannada. Number 16, small. In Hindi, Chota. Tamil, Siriyadu or Chinnadu. In Telugu, Chinnadi. And in Kannada, Sannadu. Number 17, use. In Hindi, Upayog. In Tamil, Payanpaduthu. In Telugu, Vadu or Vadko. In Kannada, Upayogisu. Number 18, mistake. Let's learn to say this in Hindi. Galti. In Tamil, tavaru or tappu. In Telugu, పొరపాటు. And in Kannada, tappu. Now number 19, answer. In Hindi, jawab. Tamil, badil. Telugu, jawabu. And in Kannada, uttara. Number 20, song. In Hindi, geet, or you can also say as Gana. In Tamil, paadal or paattu. Telugu, paata. And in Kannada, haadu. Next, number 21, peace. Let's learn to say this in Hindi. Peace is nothing but tukda. Tamil, tundu. Telugu, mukka. And in Kannada, tundu. Next, number 22, rice. Let's learn to say this in Hindi. Chawal. Tamil, arisi. Telugu, biyam. In Kannada, akki. Number 23, today. In Hindi, aaj. Tamil, indru or iniki. Telugu, ee roju. And in Kannada, ivattu. 24, question. In Hindi, sawal. Tamil, kelvi. Telugu, prashna. And in Kannada, prashne. Number 25, problem. In Hindi, samasya. Tamil, prachana. Telugu, samasya. And in Kannada, samasye. Number 26, wind. In Hindi, hava. Tamil, kaatru. Telugu, gali. And in Kannada, gali. Just a slight difference in pronunciation in Telugu and Kannada. Number 27, rain. In Hindi, barish. Tamil, malai. Telugu, vana. And in Kannada, male. Number 28, good. In Hindi, acha. Tamil, nalla. Telugu, manchidi. And in Kannada, ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು. Number 29, bad. In Hindi, bura. Tamil, ಕೆಟ್ಟದು or ಮೋಸமான. Telugu, ಚೆಡ್ಡದಿ. And in Kannada, ಕೆಟ್ಟದು. Number 30, door. In Hindi, darwaza. Tamil, ಕದವು. Telugu, ತಲುಪು. And in Kannada, ಬಾಗಿಲು. Number 31, example. In Hindi, ಉದಾಹರಣ್. Tamil, ಉದಾಹರಣமாக. Telugu, ಉದಾಹರಣకు. And in Kannada, ಉದಾಹರಣೆ. Number 32, poor. In Hindi, ಗರೀಬ್. Tamil, ಏಳೈ. Telugu, ಬೀದವಾಡು. Kannada, ಬಡವ or ಬಡವರು. Next, number 33, beautiful. In Hindi, sundar. அழகு. In Tamil, అందమైన. Telugu, sundara. In Kannada. Next, number 34, next. అగలా. In Hindi, அடுத்தது. Tamil, తరువాత. Telugu, ముందే. Kannada. Number 35, success. సఫలత. In Hindi, వెట్రి. Tamil, విజయం. In Telugu, యశస్సు. In Kannada. Till now we had seen 35 most common used English words. So we had seen the translation in other languages. I hope today's video was very much interesting and valuable for all my viewers. Thanks for your support and expecting some more support in the upcoming days. That's all for today's session. Please do subscribe my channel, like and share with your friends and family members. And yes, without fail, press the bell icon to get notified for my upcoming videos and watch my other videos too. Thanks for spending your valuable time in watching my video. Let's catch up in next wonderful video. with another fascinating topic. Till then, it's your channel host signing off, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.